Welcome. Today, I'm going to show you how to add or update your gender on your Facebook page using the Facebook app on your PC. With the latest update, Facebook has made it even easier to personalize your profile, so let's jump right into the steps. First, open the Facebook app on your computer. Once you're logged in, look to the top right corner of the screen, where you'll see your profile photo. Click on that photo to access your profile page. Now that you're on your profile, find the section labeled About. This tab holds all the details about you that you can share on Facebook. Click on About to proceed. Within the About section, scroll down a bit until you find Contact and Basic Info. This area is where you can update fundamental information such as your phone number, address, and of course, your gender. Right next to the word gender, you'll see a small edit icon. It looks like a pencil. Click on that icon to open the editing options. Here, Facebook lets you choose your gender from the options provided, or you can even type in a custom gender if you prefer. This flexibility ensures you can truly make your profile reflect who you are. Once you've selected your gender or entered a custom option, don't forget to save your changes. Simply click the Save button, and your profile will update immediately. And that's it. You've successfully added or updated your gender on your Facebook page using the PC app. Taking a few extra moments to personalize your profile helps your friends and connections know more about you, and can make your Facebook experience feel more authentic. Thanks for watching.